You've probably seen the TikToks.
We're trying 5 of Thailand's most popular drink combinations from 7-Eleven.
Yes, that's a mouthful. Let's go.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm T.
I'm Charlie.
And if you're not new here,
it's great to have you back. And we haven't done that in a while. Might have been a bit rusty, but that's because we haven't done a taste test in a while.
And if you're new to 7-Eleven, or if you don't know about 7-Eleven, it's considered a bit of a national treasure in Thailand.
It's definitely a tourist treasure as well.
Yeah.
And we have found out that they do some really cool looking drink combos, viral drink combos. We had to get involved with that, right?
Yeah. So we're trying 5, and we're also going to give them a rating out of 5.
As always, 5 stars. Half stars? No half stars. We followed these all off of TikTok. We're going to do our best to explain what they are. Just give an honest opinion.
Yep. And we're going to start on this side.
What are we calling this?
Blue lemonade.
Blue lemonade. If anyone actually knows the real names, let us know, but we're making the names up. Go through the ingredients. We have Est Kamikaze. I don't know what flavour this is, but blue.
Looks a little bit like Lilt.
Yeah, blue Lilt.
Yeah.
Blue Lilt. These are cool in 7-Eleven. These are little vitamin drinks, right?
I think this is a lemon flavoured vitamin C drink.
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to hold or pour?
I think I should be doing the holding. You should. This looks colourful. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Maybe try that like a competition.
3, 2, 1, 2. Just tasted alright to me.
It's just fizzy lemon.
It's 0 sugar, but it tastes really sweet, in my opinion. The lemon, it just tastes a little bit medicinal. Is that a word?
Yeah, you said it.
I don't know how I can't re-say how I just
said it like medieval.
Yeah, medicinal.
Yeah.
There we go. I don't know why that was so hard, but it just tastes a little medicinal. The fact there's 0 calories and all that just made me think it wouldn't be as sweet, but it's super sweet.
I just think it's alright.
Yeah, great.
Quite light fizzy.
I tell you what, we went outside and drank that in the heat.
Oh, very good. Next up, we have a rainbow drink.
Yes, no surprises what this one's meant to look like. Whether we make it, right? We'll see.
So we've got icy berry energy jelly.
Singer red lemon. Apparently this is actually red inside. I'm interested to see if that actually is.
And then we have another vitamin C drink. I believe this one's passion fruit flavour.
Wow, that sounds good.
We shall see.
What are we saying? Does it look like a rainbow?
It's more like a swamp.
Almost. Almost. Let's give this a go. Ready? I'm ready to rate.
Me too.
On 3.
3, 2, 1.
4. Yes, that's really good.
That is
I really like that. It's like so refreshing. The blue stuff, because it's jelly, it's almost like drinking bubble tea where you get lumps of jelly.
I think as a kid,
Wow.
children would love this.
That is so good. I don't know how hyper you would be at the end of it.
Yeah.
Because bear in mind, we've actually used energy drink jelly as well. So this is effectively an energy drink. Wow.
It actually tastes exciting.
We're just going to stop now and just drink this. Sorry guys, but cancel the rest. That's going to be tough to beat. Moving on, that was very strong. This one's a strange one, right? This is interesting. What do we have, T?
We have Fanta grape.
Which I bet is really nice.
Yeah,
Not
by
actually
itself.
have that, by itself, yeah. And we have Dutch mill strawberry yogurt, right? I know what you're thinking. Yogurt, Fanta.
Especially the lactose intolerant.
Have a guess which one of us wanted to do this one. This could be interesting. This looks really good. You almost forget, it looks so good you almost forget it's Fanta and yogurt. I'm excited. You're not lying, I'm scared.
Ready?
I'm not sure I am.
3, 2, 1, 2.
Ooh, mixed.
I don't know how to feel about that.
It is strange, but I think that's probably, at some point in my life I would have tried to make something like that myself. I just know, because just a bit weird.
I can't tell if it works.
It is really hard to tell, and the problem is you tend to get like quite a lot of yogurt and not much Fanta, or a lot of Fanta and not much yogurt. Maybe we need to mix it up. It's so interesting, it's so interesting. I'm almost speechless for the first time ever. It shouldn't work, but it does work for me. It does work for me.
I don't know, 2 for me.
I'm excited for this one. Next up we have, well, we're calling it cotton candy. I don't know what its actual name is, but that's what we've called it.
It's got this energy drink jelly again. We've also got these gummy flavour sweets.
They just go on the top for decoration, I think.
Gummy flavour. Very flavour sweet.
Very flavoured gummies. Everyone knew that. Everyone knew. We then have this lychee drink, which I just think, I can't believe we never had this before. This looks really good, right? And another snack. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That, excuse a shaky hand, ooh, that's the best looking one for me.
Yeah. I forgot I had jelly.
Gotta try sweet. I think it looks really good. I don't know where it looks up from the front. From the back it looks good. Let me show you. On 3.
3, 2, 1, 5.
That one's so good.
It's so
That is really good.
It's like it's got a really nice, refreshing, lychee, fizzy flavour. And then you've got the jelly, and then the extra crunch from the sweets on top. Obviously, you have to pick them out because they're not going to fit in the straw, but
It's just refreshing. It's like lychee lemonade to me. Oh, blue lychee lemonade, that's what it should have been called. That is good. I mean, anything with lychee juice in it, or any kind of lychee drink for us, is going to score high.
yeah.
We're a little bit biased. Team lychee. Next up.
And final drink.
Yes, gonna have to be good to beat some of these. We didn't really name this one, so we've just gone with
Greeny pink.
greeny pink drink.
Yes. So for ingredients,
It's another fun one.
we have
Strawberry, is it Meiji? Strawberry milkshake, basically.
and then we also have sago with corn and coconut milk. Now sago is similar to tapioca.
We've never had it. We're looking
Yeah.
forward to seeing what this is going to be like. That's what we understand.
And you did hear it right, it has corn in it.
Wow, that smells like corn. This is going to be interesting because as you just saw, that is gloopy. Right, let's give this a go.
I feel nauseous.
I've got to quickly show you what this looks like. Just because. I don't know about you, Pete, but I think someone's winding us up with this drink.
I'm not going to lie, I feel a bit nauseous.
I'm wondering either someone's on a wind up just for a laugh, and they know that I'll try either way, or we've got the wrong ingredients somewhere because this makes no sense. Of all the things we've ever taste tested, I think you're least looking forward to this out of everything we've ever tasted. He really doesn't want to try
you've
this.
got some green side. Let me know you've got the green side.
Do you review?
Here I do. There's some,
No, go on.
there's some green.
Ready? Wish us luck. Let's go straight in. 3, 2, 1, 1. I'm adamant that we've done that wrong. I don't think that's the drink.
I don't think so. I feel like I get the concept only because sweet corn is sweet. You've got strawberry milk and the sago, sago. But I'm scared of the stuff going in my mouth. The texture differences, I don't know.
No, I'm adamant. I'm adamant that that's not right. I think we've messed that up, but who knows? I get what you mean. I just feel like it just tastes like strawberry milkshake where you've accidentally poured your dinner in it.
The texture is a bit like rice porridge in milk.
It's just... I'm confused with that one. Okay, I think it's pretty obvious. Normally we do best and worst. I don't think we need to do worst today. So let's do something a bit different. Let's spin them around and put them in order. Best through to worst, right?
Okay.
Let's go. Should we do this together? Obviously, right? Do you reckon?
I still don't know. Hey!
Try that one. Them both a sip. Try them both. See what you think.
This tastes like sugar-free to me.
It does, yeah. We happy? We going with it?
Yeah.
That's our order. I can't remember the names of any of them.
We have cotton candy.
The rainbow
What
one.
was supposed to be a rainbow.
The blue lemonade one. The
Fairy
Fanta
milk.
one. And the greeny
Greeny
pinky
pink.
one. These two are just really refreshing. They tasted almost like,
I think the jelly pushes it over the edge.
you know, like they both have similar feeling to me as like the Fanta mix you get in the cinema. You know when you mix the two Fantas?
I've never done that. Oh, the Fanta
Yeah,
slushy.
yeah,
No, that's Tango.
Tango, yeah, Tango. I've got Fanta on my brain. The Tango slushy.
Yeah.
They give me similar vibes, right? This one just tastes.
This tastes like the watered
Sugar-free.
down Tango blue drink.
There we go. They all just taste like Tango slushies. This one we debated this one, didn't we? Can't quite work it out. That I honestly.
I don't think we made that right.
I don't think we made that one right. So that's our order. Let us know if you're watching which one looks visually the best, which one looks visually the worst. We're interested to know. See what you guys think.
And also drop your favourite 7-Eleven combinations in the comments.
Yes, I think we've proved now, especially with this drink and also this drink, that we will try pretty much any kind of 7-Eleven viral combo. So chuck them in and we'll do them as a short or something if we don't get enough of it. For now, that's it from us. We will see you very soon.